Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
I'm hearing noise. I don't know whose mic it is.
Hello, hello.
I'm audible.
Yeah, I think I can hear you, Rishi.
Yeah, hello, Rosa.
Rosa?
I couldn't able to hear you, Rosa.
We can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can able to.
Yes.
Okay, so everyone, welcome back. Sorry for the technical issues we've had in the beginning. Rishi, Samuel, how are
Yeah, hi.
you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yes.
How's trading
Doing
going
good.
this week?
How are you doing?
Yeah, for me, it's pretty good today.
Mm,
You saying that with a smile in your face?
nice.
Like I traded my personal account and I withdrawn money. We are trading only.
Good.
Amazing, amazing. Love that. Love that.
How about
Okay.
you, Samuel?
I'm doing okay. We've been really loving how gold has been moving of late. Yeah, hoping that it will continue the same momentum. Yeah.
Hopefully, yeah. It's been a fantastic week. Like 5, 7 days ago, gold's moving the way I like it. And yeah, personally, not with prop firms, but on my personal account, it's been fantastic. Prop firms, it's kind of okay. So all in all,
Yeah.
it's all right.
Amazing, amazing. This week it seems like we have news packed
Hmm.
so much.
Is there any news today? Haven't checked.
Yeah,
Yes.
actually in 15 minutes and also in
Oh,
30
okay.
minutes and
Can
also at
someone share
5
my
p.m.
screen? I couldn't able to share my screen now.
Share your screen.
No, like I can't able to share my screen now. Can someone share your screen?
Samuel, go ahead, please. I'm just setting up everything. Not sure I'll be able to share my screen today. Internet issues here, but I'll try later.
It's okay. Let me find the window.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
so news in 5 minutes and then in 25 minutes, so 15 minutes, yeah.
I'll be back in 2 minutes. Just give me a minute.
All right,
It's okay. Is my screen on? I'm trying to share it. Let me try and do it again.
not yet.
Okay. Okay. I believe it's
Good,
now
good.
visible.
It is.
Yeah. So today I checked out this trade. I'm not yet in on my account. It kind of left me. So this is just the markup of a trade idea I had today. Coming into New York, I was really waiting to see this highs being broken. But because of the news, I'm still kind of skeptical. I still want to see how the news reacts, so that for sure, I'm not on the wrong side of the market. So during news, mostly, especially today being ADP, which at 3:15 we have ADP non-farm employment change, and also at 3:30, no, okay, in Kenyan time, that is, um, we have core retail sales together with core retail sales also for the monthly and the retail sales themselves. These are heavy news, kind of. So I just want to see how the market reacts around this news. So I've not taken any trade per se.
Fantastic. Okay.
Yeah, only on Euro USD, but I did get out at break even. It was quite a
Oh,
small SL, so it did tag me over here, and it went all the way down, but came and took me out at break even. So I want to see how the news will react, and maybe I can have a re-entry after the news
Mm-hmm.
have played out. Have you had any trade idea today?
I
I,
did have two small buys this morning, very, very small, 40, 50 pips each. And they were okay, both of them. And then I tried to buy again, but that one went wrong. So all in all, I'm positive today. I'm in blues, but let's see. So news in 2 minutes and then 15 minutes. And then I'll try to find a good setup to trade. Let's
okay.
see how it goes.
Let's see how it goes. Rishi, we can't hear you. Have you been trying to talk?
Yeah, yeah. Like initially, I was trying to talk, but I switched off my mic. Yeah, I took trade today in gold. Gold is actually giving fantastic entries, but I took in my personal account and I also withdrawn the funds. And we are trading only. Like I used to trade in broker.
Oh, you have
Amazing. Trading is
started?
a
You have started there?
Yeah, yeah. I deposited like $1,000 yesterday, and I withdrawn like I made profit of 1,821, and I
wow.
withdrawn. Yeah.
Good, good.
Amazing, amazing, bro. Amazing. Have you had any trade idea today?
Like we have to check after the news. But gold has been rallying fantastic.
Yeah.
Mm.
Can say from the daily
Yeah,
we
yesterday
have really
yesterday
been
market
pushing.
also, yeah, a very good closure yesterday, and today also it is continuing the same direction.
Mm.
So at least we can expect the price to fill the support level at 4848. Sorry, 4848.59. So we do have a support in the
4848.
yeah. So I'm just
Okay.
expecting a rally till this level, or else we can find some kind of good retracement, and then again the market may push on the higher side. So this is what I'm
Mm.
expecting in higher time frame levels. But in lower time frame, we can expect anything. There might be a short downfall also. So we can scalp if that is a good sell one. But currently, I'm bullish in gold.
Can I let you share your screen so that you can see what you're talking
Uh,
about?
sure, sure.
Okay.
Okay, news are out. First ones. Now, 62. Okay. Hmm. All right, it might go up a little bit.
Can you able to see my screen?
No, not yet.
Not yet, but I think it will come up. So it's
It's all
positive for
right.
the US dollar.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll just start with GBP USD first because someone asked in the chat box.
Okay.
Yeah, GBP USD is actually bullish. And look at the 4 hours candle. Yeah, it is clearly bullish now. But as I always say, never enter at highs. If you're going for buy entries, always wait for some kind of manipulation at the lows. Like the market may manipulate in this low or this low or this low. All you have to do is you have to just wait for a small retracement. And again, if the price reverses from the lows, or you can call it a sell liquidity, and if it is giving you confirmation like structure shift or any other like using order blocks, you can just enter the retracement by targeting this high. So this is what my analysis in JPUSD. Yeah, it is clearly bullish. Look at the 1 hour time frame. It is taking support after taking the previous old low. Look at this. Yeah, and also like this is a very good support level. So the market is taking support from these levels too. So it is clearly reversing from a very good level, and currently the market is making higher highs. So it is clearly bullish. As I said, don't enter at highs. Just wait for some kind of retracement to happen or any manipulation at the lows. Then you can plan your buy entries. So this is what my analysis on GBP USD and inverse. And
Nice.
gold, yeah, as I said, now like I'm expecting the price to reach till this level, but yesterday closing is also pretty good. So yeah, now the market is following the previous day expansion pattern. So we are expecting very clean entries. So whenever the market is taking lows, it is reversing. Okay, so we still have news in 12 more minutes. We do have one more news,
Yes.
and we do have one more news at 6 p.m. Dubai time.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Rishu, what price point did you say gold is going to reach, according to you,
Mine,
liquidity wise?
like I'm
Yes,
expecting this particular support level, like 48,
48.
48,
Okay.
41.4. This is my level.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. I think I also have the same TP.
Okay, someone asked Cat GPU. I'll also check that one.
Hi, farming. How are you doing?
Cat GPU, right? Like the overall bias is bullish, but currently it is falling. So if you're trading in lower time frame like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, we have to follow the current trend. But currently the price is making lower lows, which is a clear sign of bearish. So what I'm expecting is still we are having support levels. We do have one more support level here, and we do have an IFEG here, and this is actually acting as a support. So this level is also a key level. So what I'm expecting is currently, even though the price is bearish, if you want to continue with the trend, it's better we can wait for some kind of retracement to happen above some highs. Yeah, actually the market gave you an entry. Look at this, a very good manipulation, and the market reversed and then a pullback, balanced the
Hmm.
IFEG, and it is actually going for the liquid levels. Currently, it is bearish. If you still want to go for the trade, you have to keep in mind we are having a very good support level around this low. Yeah, if you're taking like a trade around this FEG levels, you have to keep your stop loss very strict, and you have to follow the next liquidity. But
Hmm.
again, taking entries at lows or highs is like it's not good. It will have look, the risk will be more in that case. So it's better if you want to plan further, just wait for some kind of retracement to happen.
Yeah, let's see what the news are about because my view is bullish as well, but I'm just waiting
Okay,
to see how it reacts.
I don't know why my system is so hot now. I don't know. You can able to hear my voice clearly, right? And also my
Yes,
visuals.
your voice is okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Visuals like video.
And video is also okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine.
There you go. All right. Are you shorting cat
No,
cat GPY farming
I'm not going to take
114?
any orders. Have you placed your orders?
I don't have any orders placed, but yeah, I heard also a sound, so maybe Samuel is just placing their orders.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. So really sorry about that. I was closing some longs I had. So I have closed them because currently, okay, it was on Euro USD. I'm noticing that we might have a shift to the downside because it has reached my area of interest. But I was really hoping for it to continue going up, but was just taking a little bit of profit that I had entered from yesterday. Yeah. So I was on a trade on Euro USD, and it seems like it wants to fall. Yeah. So I'm currently waiting to see if I can find a sell setup, then I'll share. I'm waiting to get maybe a change of character to the downside. Those, though we are currently having equal highs, maybe Rishi you can check Euro USD and give you analysis. I'm kind of seeing equal highs that I think will get run through in the lower time frame, the 3 minute and the 5 minute. So those equal highs are not giving me enough confidence to go on a sell yet. So
Are you pointing out
maybe,
the sequel heights?
sorry.
Like, are you telling out the sequel heights? These equal heights, one, two.
Yes. Those two equal highs, they are they are really giving me the ache that it might go up fast, take liquidity. Then if it's going down because of the fundamentals also, maybe go from there.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why I was closing some longs that I had. Because normally when these fundamentals come out, you tend to see for example, like we have had a positive news for the US dollar. They tend to follow, even if it's only one session, they follow through with how the fundamentals have come out. Even if it's bullish for gold, it might go down a bit, then go bullish later. So maybe to go find other PDRAs like fair value gaps and other blocks on the lower side.
Yeah, you're right. Of news, I always expect the same. Sometimes I fake directional move, and then it
Yeah,
goes to the actual move it's
yeah,
intended. So I'd like to wait like a couple of minutes just to position myself.
yeah.
Let's see how it goes.
So we are having 4 more minutes.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think what I'm expecting is during the news, like we might expect a sudden fall and then immediately to reverse. I don't know if
Yeah.
it is true or not, but this is just my assumption.
Yeah.
Like because like whenever there is a news, if there is any sudden movement before the news, always the market will try to reverse it. Let's see. Let's see if my assumption is true or not.
Oh,
4 minutes.
all right, let's see.
Rosa, like,
Four
do you
minutes.
trade futures? Do you trade futures?
So say again.
Like, do you trade futures?
I do trade yeah, CFDs on my personal account. Gold, I trade it on CFDs. But then on prop firms, I do trade CFDs and futures, both of them.
Okay.
It's very similar, actually.
But the rules differ when it comes to futures profits.
Yes, yeah, rules are different. That's right.
Yeah. It is clearly bearish, but again, shorting before news is not good.
Just wait.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to press any button. I have already made profit. But I have this.
Yeah, this is where people get FOMO. and they try to enter even before news come out.
Oh, it's April already. I thought it was the last day of March today. It's 1 of April.
It's a new
First of April.
quarter. A happy new month, everyone.
Yeah. Oh my. Time flies. All right. I'm just waiting, but I'm already positioned.
One
So
moment.
I didn't enter the positions, but I'm just waiting. It has to reach
What's
out 4722.
472?
472 or in short
Buys.
or buys.
Yeah, I think I also have the
Please
same
wait, okay.
sentiment.
Well,
But I'll wait. So I'm just waiting. I have everything ready to go in.
okay. She hold
I'm
again.
also looking for buys. Yeah, we are almost looking at the same level, but mine's just a little tad bit lower. It's around from 4703, 4703 there. That's around the OTE zone.
Wow.
Oof,
What is the
that's
spread?
a that's a
Yeah.
spike.
We have one more news in 1.5 hours. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, wow, very very positive for the US dollar.
Hmm?
It is very volatile now. Look at this. You placed limit order here, right, Rosa?
No,
47.
I'm just waiting. It didn't hit.
Okay.
I'm on the
Yeah, yeah,
funding pips. I'm going to try. Yeah. So if it hits, I'll be buying, but I think it's already gone.
yeah. It's volatile now. Look, we have to wait.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. No more news for now. Shush, 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 shush. Okay, my opportunity is gone. It's already gone. So this level, it's not working anymore for me. So I'll have to recalculate. Hmm. Okay. Oh. All right. That's a pity.
Yeah,
100 pips. Okay, doesn't matter. It's fine. Let's find something
Look at
else.
this. Actually, my assumption is right.
Yep.
It's 200 pips from the low, 206.
yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, hi, sure. On the stream.
All right, so I might go in.
On longs?
Hmm.
Okay, okay, okay.
Just waiting. I mean, I'm only after 40, 50 pips, no more than that. So, oops.
The order book is empty. Okay. Again, if someone is trading retail concepts, just look at this double top.
Hmm.
Very good placement and rejecting, and then again a low, again a high, and look
Hmm.
at the break. A very good double top pattern.
Yeah. And a very good magnet for price.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even you can call this particular move as inverted head and shoulder. I'll show you. Wait. So we can able to see a very good displacement. Or I'll take this high. Okay, the market
Hmm.
fell this low. Again, the market made a high and they are low. And what happened is again the market reversed and it took out this high. And you can able to see again the market. The next candle opened here and it made a low and took support. And then again the market is moving high. So we are having one head and one inverted shoulder and one more inverted shoulder. So this is actually inverted head and shoulder pattern, and it is working. At the end, like the concepts or like ICT or SMC, that is not important.
Ye-
It's about how you understand the market. And again,
Yes,
we
true,
have very good news, and the market is also taking 15 minutes low. Look at this.
Hmm.
Clearly, the price is bullish, so the level matters the most. So whenever the price is reacting to your condition, market condition, you can use any concepts to trade, and
true,
each and every
true,
concept works.
true.
And if you take entry around this level, and if you keep your stop loss around this level, and if you aim for 1:1, it achieved. And again, if you want to aim for 1:2, you can just keep this support as your next target. Let's see.
Okay.
That one there is one of my targets. The level you marked there.
Sorry.
Now it's reverting back again. The order book is empty. Hmm. Hi, Shishir.
So there is an issue on TradeAway too. The data is delayed.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Okay, I delete my pending order. Let's see. Um,
have a question for you guys. Do you ever get analysis paralysis when you're trading? Like, you know so many concepts and you know so many entry criteria that you're even confused on which one to use.
Yeah, that's very common. When you the more you know, the more confluence, views or points or entry you can get on a chart. I keep it very simple. It's just a bunch of rules, like three rules, one, two, three, and I don't overthink it. And since I've been doing that, my trading is way better than what it was. That's why I don't analyze higher time frames. I stick on 1 minute chart and I trade what I see, and that's it. So my risk is very high per trade, but only 1 minute chart, nothing else. And a very well defined bunch of rules, like three rules, four rules, no more than that.
Okay.
Very
Wow,
systematic.
that's amazing, actually. I believe it's going to help a lot of people in the charts so that people can. I believe a lot of people get confused when trading. They have so many concepts that they are trying out. One is saying a liquidity sweep, the other one is saying a head and shoulder, the other one is saying a lot of things to confuse you. And the more you simplify it, the better it gets. So thank you, Rosa, for that.
Mm. I used to analyze different time frames, but then let's see. I don't know. For example, I trade order blocks, right, or liquidity sweeps. There's liquidity sweeps in
Yeah,
every time frame, like 1,000.
yeah,
So how do you know which one? And then you can say, okay, you start from monthly, but in order for the price to get to your monthly liquidity area, it'll take a while. So if you
yeah.
want to trade consistently, like um, 10 times in a month, you have to start going down and down on time frames. That means which order block is the good one? What liquidity area? What high of the session? Is the Asia session? Is the New York session? Is the UK session? There's always highs and lows. Every single day, that's four highs and four lows. Which one's the good one? So it was so difficult to me, and I used to get anxious, not knowing
Yeah,
or having many inputs. So that's why I simplified my trading, maybe too much, but it's fine.
it works. The
It works,
beauty
yeah.
is that it works.
It does, yeah. Because I trade the same way my personal account, so it works.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I'll
How
just
has?
answer the question.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, like I'll just answer the question in the chat box.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, fine. First one is like it's okay. Like this reversal methods works in gold. I'm building one setup based on reversal. Yeah, like many setup works in any condition, any markets. You can follow reversal methods in gold, silver, Nasdaq, or even forex basket works. All right, Shisha, like I'm having doubts. Like, are you pointing out this one?
Is
Yeah,
reversals method work in gold? I'm building one setup based on reversals. I trade reversals,
man.
Sukai Shena or something like that. I trade reversals, so
All right. Okay, fine. Like, see, even though the market took out the previous high, it doesn't mean that the market is reversing. Keep in mind that the overall bias is bullish. So, I don't know if you know ICT concepts or not, but in ICT, there is a concept called elements of a trade setup. And in elements of a trade setup, let's say if the price is expanding to a level, either from low to high or high to low, it is called expansion. So, after expansion, there are two possibilities. One is the market may either reverse completely or the market may retrace and then again it will expand on the same direction. So these two conditions will happen based on bias. If the bias is bullish, in that case, after expansion, we can expect some kind of retracement, and again we might expect expansion. And if in the case the market is completely bearish, the bias is bearish, in that case you can expect after expansion there will be a reversal. So in this case, the silver is clearly bullish till this level. I'll also check with the higher time frame levels, like whether the market is in key level or not. Yeah, look at this. The market even took relative lows. So after very good downside move on the 4 hours time frame, we can able to see the market is actually taking out the equal highs, and then the market is giving pullback, and again it is trying to move on the higher side. So in that case, this particular sweep on the higher end, like it is not reversal actually. So clearly the market is still bullish. If you want to plan for like sell trade, at least you have to wait for the levels to break on the lower side. You need some kind of a reversal confirmation, then you can plan your trades on the sell side. But currently I'm not bearish on silver or gold. It is clearly bullish for me.
We've just had a surge of volume.
Yep.
Sorry.
We've just
A
had a
lot of
surge of
volume
volume.
came in.
Oh, okay. What I mentioned is clearly the bias is bullish, so don't expect sell entries as of now, unless uh, you need a very good confirmation on the downside. Then you can plan reversal.
Ooh, that's too much volume.
Again, is my voice breaking or too much?
No, it's fine.
Okay, okay, okay,
Wow.
okay, sure, sure. All right, sure, sure. Yeah, thank you, Suki. Yeah, thank you.
Just as you said, um, because the higher time frame is kind of bullish, I think we're still going to continue the bullish momentum.
Hmm.
I don't know what's this candle.
Yeah.
It is weird.
Both sides. Just taking liquidity from both sides.
Yeah, both sides.
See, it actually hits my second target too. I mentioned right, like for this inverse head and shoulder pattern.
Okay, let's position myself here. Let's see. Okay.
Does anyone know coding here? Coding, Rosa?
Coding.
Yeah.
I know a little bit, but I mostly use artificial intelligence, AI, just to do my
Okay.
stuff.
Yeah. Are you trying to build something? Or code, or you mean coding? Um,
Have you heard about Claude? Claude AI?
oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Claudia is really good also,
I
especially
don't use it,
for coders.
but
Yeah.
the, the updates that they are releasing is I know every single day they're releasing new updates.
Yes.
Max is like 4782 in the order book. 4782. Okay. Yeah, like
All right.
actually it seems like reversing on the lower side, but this kind candle is actually weird. Let's see.
Yeah.
I think we should wait for some kind of clear price action. But this candle shows bearish move. This particular candle. So she builds bots for traders. Okay. Do you use bots, Rosa?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Okay.
For the futures account.
Okay. 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 Okay.
And they work. Have you
Yeah.
had success with them of late?
Last week, past 2 weeks were like, oh, that's crazy. But from last week, everything started as usual. So yeah, all in all, it's fine.
Wow, nice, nice, nice.
The thing about bots is the moment you turn them on, like, okay, start trading, everything goes the opposite direction that you expect.
I think how
Um,
bots
True.
work. I haven't used any bots till now.
any bots, it's
No,
like
like
you
I'm asking
start
like,
on
how bots
drawdown.
actually works.
Sorry.
No, like I'm asking like how bots actually works. Like I haven't used any bot till now.
My bots are for passing evaluations, and then a different bot for trading live accounts, well, sim funded accounts.
Does bots like sorry? Does platforms allow bots to trade?
Yeah, yes, prop firms,
Okay.
futures, most of the accounts, many accounts allow them, and also CFDs, not funding pips, but some of the prop firms allow bots. So, and they're not risky at all. So they're very quiet, low
Okay.
profile, my bots. So they trade many times during the day under
Okay.
specific conditions, and the ratios are for evaluations. For the bot I have on the evaluations, it's around 60, 65%, 62%
Okay.
success rate. And the live accounts, the funded accounts, are 75% success ratio.
Okay.
So they quite good.
Nice.
Still, 2 weeks ago, blew up many accounts, like 30 futures accounts. Not sure 30, but probably 20. That's for sure. And even 25. Yeah, it could be.
Okay.
That's a lot.
I mean,
It
there's
is.
actually
What do you use to build the bots or record them yourselves?
Oh, no, no, no. I don't know how to program bots on Ninja Trader. So I use Copilot.
Yeah,
People
yeah.
say try Claude, but I usually use Copilot. And my rules are as simple as simpler as my personal trading. So it's very easy rules, very contained rules.
Do you test them before you take them live?
No, I do a back test.
Yeah.
I do a back test, and if the back test's fine, I don't keep them like on forward testing. I just run them, and that's it. And
Now,
then I test them on a real environment, because sometimes real environment it's extremely different from a backtest environment. So
true.
even if you backtest them many times with fantastic data, all in all, sometimes then reality hits. So
Yeah.
last 2 weeks have been awful, and now they are fantastic. So I test them for the past 2 years and period.
Yeah.
If it's okay, I'll put them under real market conditions.
Yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense. I'm just checking out the news right now, and
Hmm.
Trump had just spoken around five. Is it 5 minutes ago?
Okay.
And he talked a bit about the situation. Yeah, it was 8 minutes ago, and he said
Mm.
that Iran was asking for a ceasefire, but Trump said that they will only consider it when Hormuz Strait is open, free and clear. But until then, they'll continue blasting into oblivion. So it's like Trump really wants this to stretch. So
Mm.
sad, but I don't think there are signs of it slowing down anytime soon. So I think I might consider entering a long hold.
Mm.
Let me see. Let me see how it unfolds. I think I'll still wait for it to fall a bit, or till 47, around 4700. So then is when maybe I'll consider entering for longs. So until then, I'll just have to wait. Because Rishi, if you check, we have liquidity down there that needs to be taken out.
Which one? In gold? Like
Yeah,
a,
and gold,
Yeah.
you can do the five
yeah.
minute charts.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Yeah,
Do
even
you
like gold
trade?
now, particular
Mm.
candle is actually looking bearish. I
Yeah,
think we might expect a short selling. Let's see.
sell off. Yeah,
I don't know why my PC is getting heat.
my internet is kind of disturbing a bit.
It's another co-pilot. Okay.
Oh, still going down. No, I don't like it. I just delete the pending orders I had. Nope, nope.
Could you please continue the stream? Like, I don't know why my lap is getting hot a lot. I'll just check with it. Can you continue the live, Rosa?
Yeah, but what's the problem with that?
No, like my lap, like it's getting hot.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, sure.
What's sure?
Sure, we'll be
Just
here for a few minutes.
yeah,
A
yeah. You can share the
few more
screen. Like
minutes.
that.
Yeah, sure. So I don't trust gold now. I was expecting a reversal up. I'm still confident. Um, Gold might go 47.54, but there's no clear signs.
Yeah, I just have to stick to my plan. I have to wait for it to get to the discount zone. So
Mm,
I don't know if it will get there today, or we still have news at around 5 p.m. So that is what is kind of making me to get off news today, to get off the
mm,
charts, because I don't trust the 5 p.m. news with this setup. So for
mm.
today, I think I'll just hold, maybe come back again tomorrow.
Okay.
But okay, let me see. Let me share my screen. So I have
Sure.
this trade idea. I have seen somebody ask, not even one trade today. So I do have a trade idea that you can try and see. Of course, use risk management, but it's yet to reach our point of interest. So let me share the screen.
Just go ahead.
So this is what I'm seeing on gold. I'm waiting for it to reach this OTE zone where we do have, I don't know if this is a weekless candle. Let me check it out if it's a weekless candle. Weekless. So it's good to be sure. Yeah, so we have an untapped weekless candle at 47.08, and price tends to always go back to fill these candles with no wicks. So this is the 15-minute chart. So price will definitely come into this zone, and that's why I've put my pending limit over here, where we have also a 15-minute fair value gap over here. So it's quite a risky trade,
Right.
but definitely can work. So it's going to be a 1:6, or preferably, so that's 1:5. Can clearly get a 1:5 with this setup. So I think I'll just put a pending order over here, and then I'll just leave, because I can already see it's at 4, and I have to be somewhere today.
Okay. So
Yeah, but for anyone in the chat, you can just put this on your charts and wait for it to execute. And yeah, all the best, hoping that it will work for
all the
you.
best. Thanks everyone for being here. Okay. Bye
Yeah,
bye. Bye
bye
guys.
bye.
Just bye.
Bye bye.